Hello everyone. Are you tired by typing the IP address one by one in your laptop when you are doing the labs in the Cisco Packet Tracer or in the real world also? If you are tired and you are feeling difficulty to assign the IP one by one in one by one computer and feeling difficulty, no need to worry. Now you can learn how to automate it all with DHCP. So we will use the DHCP server to automate the everything, means automate the IP address. Automatically your device will get the IP fastly. So we are going to learn that in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let me design the topology here. In this one we are going to learn how we can configure the DHCP server in the Cisco router. So your computer will get the IP from the DHCP server automatically. No need to configure one by one. So in this one we need to take the 3 devices I am taking. Okay, 3 or 4 we can say. So one is router. This router is going to act as a DHCP server, this one, and then remaining we will take the computers and one switch. We are using the switch to connect many devices, and we are using the router. This is a router we are using. This router we will configure as a DHCP server. So here I will write DHCP server. By doing some basic configuration in this router, you can save lot of time. Your computer will get the IP directly, automatically. Okay. So what we can do means, let me write here, we are going to use this subnet. I am going to use this 192.168.1.2/24. So from this subnet, our machine is going to get the IP. From this subnet, our machine is going to get the IP. So first we need to configure the DHCP. So before we configure the DHCP, what we need to do, we need to configure IP address to this router, because this router we are using as a DHCP server. So I will write here, I will go in the global configuration mode. I will first assign the IP. If you want to assign the IP, go here, interface F0 by 0, write here IP address and what IP you want to assign. As per our plan, we are going to assign 192.168.1.1. After that we will write here subnet mask and write no shut. This way we will assign the IP address. Okay, so this is a basic configuration. Just we assign the IP address to this interface F0 by 0. If you are a new, you can look our YouTube channel where we teach many concepts. Okay, if you don't know how to configure the IP. And if you want to check the IP address, whatever we configure, you write show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. But now I am in the global configuration mode, so I will write do here. Okay, and press enter. You can see this interface we configure the IP. Now we need to learn how to configure the DHCP. Configuration step we are going to do here. It is simple. What we will do, we will configure the DHCP. So you need to be in the global configuration mode. Already I am here in the global configuration mode. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to create the pool. Okay, now configure the DHCP pool. We are going to configure the DHCP pool. How to configure IP DHCP pool and give the pool name. I can give my pool any name I can give here. I give my pool. When I write here, you see here, this is the global configuration mode you have. Now it is changed. It is DHCP configure. So DHCP configuration mode we are here. So we need to write network and write the network ID. Write NET, press the tab key. It will do autocomplete command. After that you can write 192.168.1.0 network ID you need to write. And the subnet mask means from which subnet you want to give the IP and what subnet mask you want to give, you will write here. After that, press enter. Then you need to write default router and give the gateway. What will be the gateway? Gateway will be router interface IP. That's all. This is the basic DHCP configuration. And if you want to exclude some IP, example, you don't want to give the DHCP this IP interface IP to any of the machine, we can exclude also. We can say DHCP server, don't give this IP to anyone. So we can write IP DHCP exclude address and we can write 192.168.1.1 and press enter. Okay, now we can save the configuration. So configuration is done. Now we can check the magic. We will test now. We will see the magic, how our computer is going to get the IP. Okay, so how you will check means, go here, open the desktop, click the IP config, click here DHCP, and you see here requesting, and you can see DHCP request is successful and you are getting the IP. You are getting the IP, subnet mask, and you get the default gateway. If we configure DNS, we will get the DNS also. Example, if you want to configure DNS, you need to go under this same pool, copy and paste here, and then you can write here DNS server and give whatever the DNS server you have. Example, I have 8.8.8. I type that one. Then go again here and click static, and again click DHCP requesting IP, and you can see you get the DNS also here. So no need to configure manually the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the DNS automatically you are getting. So you can save the time. What we can say, from IP configuration, if you are confused, if you are missing the IP, if you do miss configuration, no need to worry. It is just simple. We can put some commands in the router. With that, our computer will get the IP automatically. Okay, our computer will get the IP automatically. This is the basic configuration. Let me show you again before closing this video. You can see only this is a configuration. First you will create the pool, then this is a network. You will define the network ID, gateway. If you want to exclude any IP, you will exclude. If you want to configure DNS, you can put below this command DNS also. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any doubts, write in the comments. Thank you. Bye.